man accused of killing 2 doctors in their South Boston condo is now on trial. Prosecutors say the evidence against Bampoomum Texera is overwhelming, but the defense is arguing that the evidence isn't credible. WBZ's Mike LaCrosse is live in Boston tonight with the very latest. Mike?
Lisa, the prosecution and defense each presented their arguments before the jury today during opening statements which lasted for about an hour. After that, the first witness on the stand was a brother of one of the victims.
All right.
Bampoomum Texera quietly listens as opening statements begin during his murder trial.
You will hear evidence during the course of this trial, and I will prove to you that Texera was outside the McAllen building, waiting, looking, and lurking.
He's accused of murdering doctors Lena Bolanos and Richard Field inside their South Boston penthouse on May 5th, 2017. Assistant District Attorney John Pappas says Texera snuck into the building the day of the murders and knew the layout, having briefly worked there in 2016.
The evidence will show over the course of the next couple of weeks, ladies and gentlemen, that these murders were committed by one person acting alone, one person with a purpose and a plan.
The first principle is the presumption of innocence. Every defendant, every person who comes into a court in this country is presumed to be innocent.
Texera's defense attorney Stephen Sack asked the jury to look beyond a reasonable doubt and find his client not guilty.
And I'd ask you to listen carefully to the evidence that they found, but also listen carefully to the evidence that they didn't recover.
Dr. Richard Field's brother Jason was first on the witness stand.
Richard was living with his fiancée, Lena Bolanos.
He became emotional at times while answering questions and identifying photos and surveillance video of his late brother.
It's Richard.
The jury also heard testimony from an interior designer, a carpenter, and a building property manager, all testifying about security procedures and the layout of the couple's condo. The trial resumes tomorrow afternoon. Reporting live from Boston, I'm Mike LaCrosse, WBZ News.
Mike.